Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe, and if you are returning subscriber, tunakupenda sana. Welcome to Celebrity Gossip 254. It has been a while since we did a gossip. We are not doing gossips nowadays, guys. Today I want to prepare some snacks for my children as they come from school. Bye. As they're coming back from school. So first of all, guys, I'm going to make the waru because I want to make them some chipos. And as I'm making them, I want also to Jayla, as I had said earlier on, I want to be making these warus. Nazitengeneza. I think I'll be a little more faster because kwanza the first place kuna mtu mmoja hapa nje ishamlemea, na unaona hata kana ingia kwa closet hapo chini, guys. So I really want to make some fresh fries, and then I add on some sausages so that when they come back from school, sijui kama mmetest hizi nini chicken. This is a Kenchick smoked sausages. They are so nice. These smoked sausages, they are so nice, guys. So kama unaweza, in fact initially I never thought I could eat. Juu nilikuwa naogopanga, nasema ai, unasikiaje smoked sausages, but they are so nice and they are so cheap, by the way, and affordable. They are called halal. Nafikiri zimeandikwa hivyo, halal. So nice, guys. So I wanna be making this one for my babies. Huyu mmoja hata leo hakwenda shule, but the elder one she went. Sitaki kutengeneza fries mingi, ni kidogo tu. Some 5 warus here. Niko na mtu hapa kisirani nammaliza. So guys, it has been a while. It has been a while, guys, since we shot anything on this channel of ours. Guys, don't worry about that. Time has not been on our side. We have always been busy. But then tumekuwa busy, najua hata watu wengi wata complain hatujaweka video. But guys, wacha leo tuwekelee video. We see what happens after that. So I'm making them faster because of the small one. Wajui kutulia. She's just waiting for that. So guys, stay tuned, stay there so that you enjoy the video as I make the video. Najua sijakuwa na waundia ka video, but expect more from me here. Alafu guys, my people, kindly go and subscribe to Baby White. My daughter Joy has a channel, Baby White Veil. So kindly go and subscribe there. She has always been doing some talks. Sometimes she mixes the talks together with, let's say, preparation when she's going to church, to school. So kindly, you can rush there and check on those videos. They are so nice. She's trying, and also you support her by subscribing. Also watch the video, leave a comment there to make sure that at least there is something that we are showing her, guys. Otherwise, thank you so much for always being there for me. So guys, first of all, I think I'm done with the peeling. Let me wash them. Wow, sorry. We make a lot of noise, but you don't mind that. Sababu sina mashini, You will bear with me as I cut the French fries. Hata waoni, sio? Na wakinga na wa complain. Guys, comment down there in our nini. Comment down there so that we get to know whatever wrong we did, so that we do some corrections here and there. Guys, wewe wakati tulikuwa tunatoka shule, when we used to be young, most of the time tulikuwa tunatoka, we used to have mekos kama kawaida. Unatoka nyumbani, unatoka shuleni, unapata mzazi alienda kutafuta chakula, hajarudi. Unapata tu ni ile paka yenu yenye nakuanga ndiye imelala ndani ya hiyo meko. How are you feeling? Sababu kwangu mimi hiyo feeling inanikumbushanga haraka sana when I'm around. I usually try to make my children something, at least when they come from school. Hata kama walikula lunch, but they are always feeling so hungry, so I have to prepare them at least something kadogo tu kushikilia before we prepare supper, guys. So today I've chosen to do some French fries and some sausages. Wengine wanauliza French fries. By then kwa hizo video zingine za baby akipika, watu walikuwa wanauliza hizo French fries ni nini? Si French fries tu ni hizi waru ama? Waru hazikuangi za Wakikuyu peke yake, ni za wazungu pia. That's why we call them Irish. They cannot be African. The African is the potato. The ngwashe is what we look at from Africa, but most of the time that is not what we focus on. Si tunapenda waru, najua kama wa Kenya. We add in meat, we make chipo, we even add in rice, sometimes in minji. A lot is done on waru. So guys, I wanna be making you these beautiful ones. Stay tuned there. You're making Guys, I'm done. So I've chopped them into smaller pieces already. Let me remove my dirt here first of all, to make sure that at least my table is clean. That your working space should always be neat. Sorry for the noise. I get some water and melt the sausages. Niache simu. Aha. Ningeshangaa yule mjamaa si mchache. Kwa naona hizo vitu. So I really want the sausages to be, I'll boil them. Okay, before I deep fry them because they are, nasema aje, zimeshikana sana. Hata haziwezi toka. So that at least they are softer. I want them to be a bit softer. And then I cook them. Let me have them like that. As we wait for our oil to be ready. We are waiting for our oil to be ready. The other person alitoka kwa hii nini, aliona hiyo story ya kungojea hapo akaona hatawezana. Nitaweka kwa hii pan. Nishika hapa na uchafu na mshwa. Jeila, unafanya? Jeila ni kusumbua tu yake. Akiniona tu mimi anasumbua. Umekuja tena? Kuja ambia watu hi guys. Utaki utukushoot? Ndio niko napika. Niko nakupikia. Mami. Yes, mami. Baby. Niko bebe. Ambia kwa watu wangu hi guys. Ndio hii niko napika. Nikuta simba. Yangu ndio hii hapo. Maji. Nani alikwambia ukuje huku? Yes. Maji. Maji iko wapi? Let's wait for them to do that as I separate my sausages. Hizi nazo zilikuwa zimeshikana. Mami, wait. Mami, mlango. Mami. Yes. Mami. Yes. Open your bag. I open. Bye. Bye. See you. So guys, my sausages are almost, yeah, karibu zinawachana. Niache tu ziboil kwanza. Then after that, si hata wewe unafanya vile wewe unajisikia. Me I love them boiled. Then after boiling kidogo tu. And then I do the washing. Otherwise guys, it has been a while. So let us wait for the let us wait up to the end for the results. Then I'll let you know. Stay tuned guys. Otherwise, bye bye.